Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing your workspace. Place the bracelet on a soft cloth and get a small flathead screwdriver. You want a steady surface so links do not bend. Locate the charm link's tiny clip. This is what holds each plate in place. Once found, use the screwdriver tip to gently lift the clip edge just enough to release tension. Do this slowly so you avoid popping neighboring links. Keeping controlled pressure prevents scratches and lost. Now you remove the old plate and prepare the new one. Slide the released plate out along the gap you created and set it aside. Inspect the replacement so its grooves match the bracelet link. Alignment matters because misaligned plates will not lock. Insert the new plate at an angle and then press it down so the clip can seat over the plate edge. Once done, make sure the clip snaps back. A secure fit means the plate won't shift during wear. Finish by fully seating the clip and verifying stability. Use the cloth to press the clip down and protect the metal, then flex the bracelet gently to check the plate does not wiggle or pop out. If you feel looseness, reopen the clip, realign the plate, or inspect that the clip or pin isn't bent. Replacing a damaged clip solves most failures. One troubleshooting tip: if a plate repeatedly slips, swap it with a neighboring clip to determine whether the plate or the link is at fault.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.